Hi guys, today is February 27th, 2020. Futures are down because CDC confirmed the first case of possible community spreading infection of coronavirus in the United States. Community means that that case was of unknown origin. That means that this person hasn't traveled anywhere and just got the virus. Okay, so here are your long-term and short-term picks for today and the future. Okay, let's start with S&P 500. S&P 500 opening lower, obviously, at about $306, and I really want this. Actually, that's good news because I want all the sellers to be flushed out at the open, so I'm not touching anything at the open. So even though I will be bringing up stocks today, but I'm not touching anything at the open. Let the sellers to flush out. Also, in a separate news about the S&P 500, the durable orders came in for January, and they were down 0.5%, and actually that's good news because the economists were expecting a drop of a 1.5% drop. Okay, so in corporate world, let's start with Gilead Sciences, symbol GILD. Okay, that stock is up pre-market because of the remdesivir vaccine is being tested. That's Gilead Sciences HIV vaccine, actually tested for is being in clinical testing to treat the coronavirus. Okay, so that stock is higher, but it's trading a little bit high. I'm not sure if I want to buy it here because first of all it's unproven, and second of all we don't know if this is gonna work for coronavirus. Okay, so other stocks that are up pretty much is the coronavirus treating stocks, and out of them I like, as I told you before, several of them, 3 of them as a matter of fact. mRNA, Moderna. Okay, the Moderna is up about another $7 or $6 pre-market. I'm not sure if I do want to buy this Moderna here. I'm holding shares, as a matter of fact, and those who held shares at my recommendation, congratulations, you're making a lot of money. Okay, other stocks that I like in this as a coronavirus treating stocks is Vir Biotechnology, also recommended before. Okay, this stock is very high, actually at $41.50. That's really high. Okay, I don't think if I'm a new buyer, I'm not buying the stock at this high. Okay, and the fourth one is Inovio. The third one is Inovio. Okay, Inovio is also higher, and that stock you can that could be picked up here because I think it's going higher. There are other stocks, coronavirus treating stocks, but I like those 3. Okay, in other corporate news, Square reported really good numbers and reported beat top and bottom, reported 24 million active users, and in general very good numbers. Electronic payments, electronic card payments is the future, and I think it would be a really good pickup if not for this coronavirus. So I would not pick it up at the open, but let it under $80. It would be interesting to get the shares. Okay, another company that I really like is Novocure. Okay, Novocure reported very good numbers, beat top and bottom. And bottom, they have a really strong pipeline of 4 cancer treating. They have a product called Optune, and they're testing it for 4 indications of cancer indications. Okay, and this stock is opening flat, I believe, but that could be a very good pickup here. Okay, another company that's in the news is ESTC. Okay, ESTC reported a beat of 9 cents, and it's opening higher. I really like the company, and maybe this market scare of coronavirus scare will give you an opportunity to buy the stock lower. Okay, it's opening higher, but it may go lower as everything will go lower. Okay, really good pickup overall. Okay, limited brands also reported numbers. They actually reported pretty good numbers, 2 cents above estimates. Took $700 million charge, but that's basically an accounting trick to write down the Victoria's Secret chain. And actually, if it goes lower, like in the 20th area, good pickup. Okay, Microsoft reported numbers. Actually didn't report numbers. They said that they will not meet their guidance on personal computers because of the coronavirus scare, and that stock is lower. If it goes into 160 area, that would be a really good pickup here. Okay, Box reported pretty good numbers, strong guidance, and I would be interested in a stock. Okay, Marriott Hotels also reported numbers. Okay, Marriott Hotels reported Marriott reported numbers, pretty good numbers, beat by 10 cents, but at the same time they don't know what the effect of coronavirus will have on their business. So I'm not picking up the stock, symbol MAR. Okay, but Budweiser also reported numbers and said that they will be affected by the coronavirus, and the stock is lower pre-market. Also not picking up the stock, but pretty good numbers from a company called Teladoc Health. Okay, pretty good numbers. This stock is higher significantly pre-market. It was yesterday's close was $116. It's opened it at $136. Really strong numbers from Teladoc Health, but I'd like this to come down if you want to pick up the shares. Okay, BBY, Best Buy, reported pretty good numbers and said that there's a negligible effect by the coronavirus on their shares, on their sales. So it's not they're not bad numbers, but I think it's gonna come down significantly, hopefully in 75 area. That would be an interesting pickup in my mind. Okay, another company that's reported, Keurig Dr Pepper. Keurig Dr Pepper reported inline numbers, but it's a defensive play, so people may want to buy this just as a defensive play. And also they said that they are contracted Nestle to produce Starbucks cup pots, K-cup pots. Okay, and I'll give you a couple more companies. Alimera Sciences, symbol ALIM. Okay, Alimera Sciences reported really good numbers, strong guidance, and ESTC, Elastic. Okay, Elastic also reported pretty good numbers, and that could be a good pickup. Okay, that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and I'll see you tomorrow.